Hello, TD Bob here. I just completed a 42-day Mavic Pro repair saga. It's possible DJI and I could have done a little better things better. At first, I thought the Mavic had been hit by a pigeon when I saw it drift sideways when it was supposed to be hovering. Now I suspect the problem was that my tablet that I use for my monitor for my radio controller had the DJI 4 out, but it didn't have the update to 4.1.9. This caused the drift and control problems. Being in Thailand, the DJI support connected me to Hong Kong, and Hong Kong told me to contact service in the United States, ship the drone to a U.S. address, then have it shipped to DJI from that U.S. address, and then repeat the process coming back. Shipping would have been over $300. I wrote DJI back saying I only wanted a repair shop. I didn't have to have a warranty procedure. And in the meantime, B&H Photo in New York found a DJI shop in Bangkok for me. It was 400 miles away and it cost about $2.20 for shipping. After they did a camera and gimbal replacement, it was shipped back, but it was showing gimbal obstructed warnings. So I sent it back after learning it still wasn't hovering and was beeping like crazy. At the end of the second trip, the software mismatch with my DJI 4 app was likely the reason it crashed to start with. I know DJI has to work across several operating platforms, Android, iOS, and so forth. I may have missed something, but if there was a trigger mechanism that shows on the monitor warning of a DJI required update, since not having it can crash the bird, it would really be an improvement. If I missed it, somebody tell me, but after the second repair, the repair shop forgot to send the drone back to me and they had to be prompted. It was fun. Thanks.